Hey, Dave, not here, 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. All right, got a high blue bar volume. That's what I'm looking at right there. This is a 1R stop. I wanted to get involved in it. And, um, I like this. We're trading between pivot point and S1. The market's trying to recover right now. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. I don't believe that we're going to have enough strength here to make a difference into the trade. I want to get this stop way above this here though for now. It's too early to be worrying about a stop placement yet, because I still got another contract if I want to get involved with it to put in. Pivot point is way up here at 65.20 right now though. So I might exit the trade out if we go above this too significantly. So we've got 63.45. See what happens if it gets above 51. All right, I'm going to pause here. We'll see how the market works itself out between here and the 2 o'clock mark, 1 o'clock East Central CST time. Keep my eyes on it, let you know what's going on here. So I like this volume bar spike, and I like the market, this whole movement going up. This is our Gann signal that I like to trade. Throw a trend line through here, playing the Gann. So you got fourth time through is what basically what I'm looking at. Hopefully we can make that move back into here at minimum. So that's the overall goal of the trade. Hopefully it'll continue to move forward and move down. That's what I'm looking at doing here. So all this movement up. So the up movement started around 11:25 roughly on this swing, and it's an hour later, an hour and 15 minutes later, and this is as far as the market's been able to get. What we do know about markets is it can fall up faster than it can go up. So I'm looking for the market to come back into here, or right in this area. All right, so I'm going to pause here. We'll be back when I see anything significant to talk about. All right, so we're closing in on the 2 o'clock market. I'm liking what I'm seeing right now. I don't want to lose this trade. Guess I'm willing to take a 5-tick winner now on the trade itself. And we got our 3P target in. This is what this is, 3P target, 89 ticks. I trade a little bit differently in the afternoon than I would in the morning, because time is of essence right now. You don't have as much time to get to point A to point B as you do if you started in the morning. Wouldn't mind having at least a 10-tick winner on one contract at this point. And we'll hold 63.33 on the second. This is the runner, as I like to call. So this is your hair part of the trade right now. And the hair part of the trade can move quickly down. what I want to do is plug in the high to see how far we've been today. 64.57 is today's high, and today's low is 62.41. So hopefully we can at least revisit that. $62.41 and a 3P up move was 63.31. So the market was able to go up to 63.31, and we've dropped from 64.57 to a low of 62.41. We went down 7 and we went back up 3. So we're pretty good as far as the market is right now. We'll go ahead and lock in 23, by the way. That ends up being the magic number right now. That's why I'm okay with locking that in. 63.23 is a 137.5 degree angle today. So locking that in right now, I'm good with that number coming out. We'll hold the 63.33 number on second contract. And we're looking at 62.46. We made 62.41. And we want to see where have we been. S2 is at 62.16. So we might see a move to 62.16. How close can we get to 62.16? There's 62.17. That's a good target. Let's go after 62.17. And you see that we're on our low, 62.51 on one contract. I like that, going after the low. So we don't want to see 63.23, so we'll protect 63.22 now. What does that get us? That gets us, there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, we'll go ahead and lock in 15 ticks here. Might be a little bit too close, but I want to protect this win right now. So our hare side of the trade, and then this is the tortoise side of the trade up here, holding the 63.33 mark right now. We saw our volume spike bar, and we got involved in it after we saw the volume spike. And I kind of staged myself into it, right? That's what I was looking at doing. That was my plan coming into the trade. And we've done it. We've planned our trade our plan, and we are working our way to the next step where let's put a trend line here, because this is where the market could find some support down here on this line on the Gann signal. And obviously it could go all the way back up too and negate all this trade. This could be just another form of the Gann signal. When we've misread the timing of this trade, this might be the third down, and we're going to go back up here, and then it does whatever it wants to do at that point. So we might have misjudged the timing, but that's why we're going to protect the trade the way we're protecting it. Also protecting on the S1 line as well. I think we've locked in 15 ticks on the one. Yeah, we're good. And we're going to go ahead and lock in 5 ticks on second now. So this will be a net 20 trade. Hopefully a lot more. All right, we're going to pause until hopefully we run this level, or we get taken out coming the other direction, or at least the contract gets knocked off. All right, be back in a few. Might be a little too close to the market, but we're trailing behind here. 10 to 11 ticks from the low now. We're going to trail behind. I like to do this as we get closer to we're at 63.03. Low, it looks like, no, 63.04. We'll go about, we'll hold about 12 ticks behind the low right now, which I believe should be half an hour today. Half an hour today is, yeah, 12 ticks. So we're holding 1/2 hour behind the market. I guess we could air to 17 right now. trying to lock as many ticks of profit on the hair side of the trade as I feel we can safely hold. And we'll hold the second contract at the 63.23 level. Let's see if it does want to move back there. Where do we want to be? $25 hits 26. 24 probably hits 26 too. Yeah, we might as well hold 23. 23 probably opens the door to 26, 27, 28. Hey, Mom. Tight end. Tight end. Just no. No. Okay, I had a phone call I had to take. My mom was calling in. Long story short, I'm out with my two contracts. Market came back to entry point. It's about 5 minutes left to 1:30, and I thought if something significant happened, I'd come back and talk about it before now. But there wasn't anything significant. I just protected both of them basically, one below the S1 and also corresponding with the Gann 137-degree angle, and the other one was the hair, and then the tortoise side. I used the gray line, yellow line, just used some of my lines to help me out, plus the S1 line as an exit. Was able to grab 42 ticks on 2 trades today, and that puts me net positive after 3 days of trading. I'm about $970.40 positive right now. That really will do it for today's trading. It was just take advantage of a Gann signal 4th time through the way I saw it. Use the volume bar right here. Very briefly, let's talk. We go back and watch the video, but this is the volume bar I used. Here was the high of that volume that I was protecting it against. This was the amount that I was looking at it that I would have been exiting above the 51 mark. I added here, took advantage of this downward move and exited on the upward move. Very simple trade, taking advantage of roughly a 1, 2, 3 setup with the downward movement. So the 1, 2, 3 downward movement using the volume as our key to be able to get into the trade itself, using our MACD and our Williams %R to help with the trade decision and take advantage of the trade itself. It was a very simple trade. So we'll talk to you on the next video I put together. This is Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. That was another day in the positive column, plus 42 ticks today on 2 trades. After 3 trading days, up $970.40. Most likely not trading on Friday. I don't really like to trade Friday afternoons, so I don't see myself trading and giving back any of my gains right now into a Friday. I like trading Friday mornings. I'm not a huge fan of trading Friday after 11:30, 12 o'clock. So I'll bypass tomorrow's trading and just be done. If I do put a trade on, it'll be like one of those one-tick trades just to get the fourth day in the books, the fourth trading day in the books. Like a 2-tick loss against a 10-tick stop, a target type of trade to get the fourth day. So give up a little bit of my gains to get that fourth trading day in the books. You need 10 trading days, you remember, and TopStep Trader for this to move on to the next level. You got to have your 10 trading days. So trading Friday, just taking a 1-tick, 2-tick loss and moving on to the next trading day. Kind of the way I look at that. Give up a little bit of the gain to have that fourth trading day on the books. Okay? That's it. So I'm not going to record tomorrow taking a trade that would get me a couple tick loss to have that fourth trading day. We'll see you. As far as videos go, I might put a headshot video together on my other computer as I'm thinking about my trading plan, and if I think it's some things I want to talk about, make a 5 to 10 minute video and just talk to you one-on-one like I like to do on the other computer. That'll do it for this week. I hope you have a great week. I hope you had a great week. We'll see you in the next video I put together. This is Dave. Look at it coming all the way back and above and beyond and to close. So good to be out. Talk to you later. Bye now.